hi guys, once again welcome back to Learn English with Sonali. For those who are new here, I am Sonali and here I provide you tips to improve your fluency of English language, and here you get different kind of videos which can help you to improve your English language or which can help you to speak English language fluently. I think that it's been 2 weeks that I have not uploaded the video on my YouTube channel, and I'm really sorry for that. Um, Actually, the reason is I have my exams in next month, so I have to prepare for the exams. So I'm focusing on that thing. So I'm not getting the time, that much time to shoot the videos. So I'm really sorry for that. But I'm trying to post every day in the community section of YouTube. Uh, I think they are helping you guys to improve your English language, and because I try to post related to English grammar, which can help you to improve. So guys, today in this video, I'm not going to specifically talk about how to learn English language or any kind of technique. I'm not going to talk about this topic. But today in this video, I'm going to speak in English language, but this video is going to be related to different topic. In this video, I am going to share with you that while shooting the video, which equipments I use. Okay, I know that this topic is a different topic, but the common thing is that I am going to make this video in English language. I think that this video also can help you if you want to start the YouTube channel, because when I started the YouTube channel, I did not have experience. Actually, when I started the YouTube channel, I did not have any knowledge about this, how to use YouTube to make the videos, to create the content. I would like to tell you guys that initially when I started the YouTube channel, I did not have idea that people were using YouTube to earn money. They used to create content on YouTube. I did not have any idea about this. I think that I used to use YouTube to watch different kind of videos on YouTube on daily basis, but I was not aware about that people were using the YouTube to earn money. But I think that before 1 year I got to know this, that people are creating content on YouTube and they are earning money on this platform. The reason behind starting this YouTube channel was that I wanted to practice my English language. I wanted to improve this English language speaking skills, and actually I also did not have that environment. I'm still not having people in my family who can speak in this language, but whenever I get the people, or whenever I get opportunity to speak in this language, I definitely speak in this language. So let's come to the point, guys. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you that which equipments I use to shoot the video. I don't have that much equipment because it's risky for me to invest in the equipments, because yet I have not started the earning from YouTube. So I don't know. I think it will take some time to grow the YouTube channel, but it's okay. I am trying to give my best. I will try to create good kind of uh, content which can help you to improve your English language. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can watch my oldest video. I did not have equipment to create videos. When I used to shoot the videos, I did not have mic, I did not have tripod, I did not have camera. Still I'm not having camera, but yeah, the first equipment is that my mobile phone. Okay, and I'm using this mobile phone now as well to shoot the video. So I cannot show you, but yeah, I shoot the videos by using my mobile phone. So my second equipment is that mic. Okay, so this is the mic which I use to uh, which I use while shooting the video, so that you can listen my voice clearly. Because initially when I started to make the videos on my YouTube channel, I did not have mic, and I did not have idea that people use mic to shoot the videos. When I used to watch videos of other people who used to create the content, then I understood that yeah, people use mic, small collar mic to shoot the videos so that voice can be clear. I used to have a speaker of my mobile. Okay, so that was the only equipment for me which was available for me. So I used to use that only, and sometimes the background noise was not clear, and that's why it used to create a barrier for audience to listen the videos clearly. And my next equipment is that uh, this selfie stick. Yeah. Actually, I bought this before 4 to 5 months, I think. And I thought that if I want to shoot videos while sitting, so I can use this. Or if I travel, then if I think that I want to shoot the videos, I can also shoot the videos by using this selfie stick. I think that I bought this selfie stick for two, I think between rupees 250 to 300, because I was really not in a situation to invest into this kind of equipments, because still I have not started to earn money from the YouTube. So I don't know, it will take time to grow the YouTube channel, but it's okay. Well, I think that I'm noticing that while growing my YouTube channel, I'm also growing myself. I can see that, because I was a introvert person, actually still I am, but I don't like to share my personal things with everyone. I think that every person has problems, so it's their business to tackle with the problems. We should not share our problems with everyone. So because every person has problems, so we should try to tackle our problems by ourselves. So I don't like to share my problems with people. But I thought that today I can make video on this topic, because if someone is there who want to start the YouTube channel, they can start by using your mobile phone, smartphone. Simply, you need not to buy the equipments, you need not to buy the camera. Still, I have not bought the camera, because I'm not ready to invest in that kind of equipment. So I'm using these small equipments, and I have the tripod. Let me show you. So this is my tripod. I think I bought this before 1 to 2 months. Before that, I did not have the tripod. You won't believe how I used to shoot the videos. Actually, we have shifted here. I think it's been now 4 to 5 months. But before this, when I used to shoot the videos, I used to go to the terrace, and on terrace, I used to keep my mobile phone in front of brick. ईंट के सामने मैं अपना मोबाइल रखती थी, and I used to shoot my videos like that. By and When I used to shoot the videos, the voice was really not clear. So I bought this. When I bought this mic, small collar mic, it really helped me to reach to the people, because the voice was really not clear, and due to this, it was creating a barrier. Uh, so it was really good decision of mine to buy this mic. I think that I bought this mic for between 300 to 350 rupees only. And if you want to also start the YouTube channel, you can bought this. You can, I mean, you can buy this small mic, small collar mic, which is really reasonable. If you want to shoot the videos outside the house or anywhere when you are traveling, you can shoot the videos easily by using this tripod. It is really helpful. So my next equipment I want to show you, that is this board. So this is the board. Actually, this is a dual side board. You can write on both sides. One side by chalk, and on other side you can write by using marker. So this is really helpful. I bought this because I thought that if I want to shoot videos related to grammar, and if I want to uh, explain you if any concept, then I can write it there, which can be really helpful. So if you want to start, if someone is there, if you want to start the YouTube channel, you can also start the YouTube channel, and you need not to buy at the initial stage uh, camera or different kind of equipments. You can simply use your mobile to create the videos, to start the YouTube channel. So it's so simple. I still use the mobile phone. I have not bought the camera yet, but in future if I think so, then I will buy. But still I have not bought the camera. So guys, these are the equipments which I use to shoot the videos uh, for creating the content. If you are new on my YouTube channel, and if you are eager to learn English language, how to speak English language, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive latest videos, and like, share and comment. Let me know that what are you doing. Let me know that which steps you are taking for improving your English language. Okay, so guys, this was the today's topic. So I hope that my videos are helping you to improve your English language, and let me know that what are you doing, what do you think, which kind of video you want from me to make and upload on my YouTube channel, which can help you. So guys, let's meet in a next video with the new topic. Until then, bye bye.